Hey, welcome back to TecnoTutor TV. Today I'm going to show you how to edit your Instagram profile professionally and set up Linktree so you can link all your social media accounts in one place. Editing your Instagram profile first. Head over to Instagram. On the left side, click on Profile, then tap Edit Profile. Right at the top, you'll see the option to change your profile photo. Go ahead and upload a clean, clear picture that represents you or your brand. Below that, you have your website field. We'll come back to that in a moment. And then there's your bio. This is where you want to tell people exactly what you do. Keep it short and punchy. Here's mine as an example. Tech tutorials in English and Spanish, AI apps and social media tips. New video every day. If you're a content creator using AI, make sure to enable that option in your profile settings. You can also specify your gender, and there's an option that allows Instagram to recommend your content to people who watch similar videos. Definitely worth turning on if you want to grow your audience. Setting up your Linktree now, the best part. Go to linktr.ee and create a free account. When you sign up, it'll ask for your name or brand name. Use the same one you use on Instagram so everything stays consistent. Once you're in, you'll see a simple dashboard. Make sure your @handle matches your brand, and feel free to paste in the same bio you used on Instagram. Now let's add your links. Click Add and you'll be able to customize everything. Head to each of your social media profiles, copy the profile link, and paste it right there. Linktree will automatically recognize platforms like Instagram and display them with the right icon. Do the same for all your other social networks. Once it's ready, copy your Linktree URL and paste it into the website field on your Instagram profile. That way, one single link gives your followers access to everything. Linktree also has paid plans that let you feature your latest video, your most viewed content, and much more. That's it for today. If this helped you, don't forget to subscribe to TecnoTutor TV. New tutorials every day. See you in the next one. Palish